Oh, what is up, guys? Hi, Megan.
Is that your intro?
That is my intro. We are with Megan.
Hey, guys.
And we are with her van. And we're gonna tour the crap out of this thing right now. We have a lot of friends around us. You wanna show them off?
Not really.
A bunch of ugly pigeons.
I'm not proud of them.
I'm not really proud of them either, but we're by a beach and this is what pigeons do.
It's true.
And seagulls. All right, Megan, let's go into your van and let's check this whole thing out. Here we go. What van do you have?
I have a 2015 Sprinter. I bought it used. Searched all the things, car dealerships, car guru, all those things to find it. Built it out with my friends Adam and Vanessa of Heartwood Custom Vans.
I did a tour of their van way back when.
Yes,
they're amazing.
Now sold. They're doing lots of builds these days. They're based in Canada. Call them if you want to do a build. Adam is amazing. You'll see throughout all of this, just awesome craftsman. But we built it out in April.
You did it super fast.
6 weeks.
Super
really
fast. And it was like, holy crap. And Adam even documented some of it.
Time crunch. Adam documented a bunch of it. They have a YouTube channel. A bunch of the build is on their YouTube channel.
You're welcome, Adam.
Yeah, it was just really fast. We were on a little bit of a time crunch with having to be done, so.
And word on the street is this is your second van.
Oh yeah, this second van. So a lot of my insight from my last van went into building this one and designing what I wanted here. I had a really good idea of what I did want coming into it, so that really helped.
And you're a solo female traveler.
Yes.
And you weren't in your last one.
No, I traveled with a partner before. We had a 170 Sprinter, so I went from the longer wheelbase down to this one. Absolutely love the 144 shorter wheelbase, just from a perspective of driving, super easy and comfortable to drive around cities and be able to park anywhere. Regular parking spots is a huge upside for me.
Well, let's get going with like what the heck you got going on here. Honestly, we'll start. Where were you going to start?
This way?
Yeah, whatever you want. So you're actually taller than me. You're 5'9". All right, so it's like an inch taller than me. And it's not easy to sleep the way that you're sleeping. Yes, on a Sprinter, and you did it.
I do it for sure. Easy to do alone. As a solo traveler, I can sleep diagonal. I can starfish. I can do whatever I want. The bed is as wide.
Did you just say starfish?
Yeah.
Okay, like spread out, like a starfish. Yeah. Okay.
The bed is as wide as a queen, but it's like 10 inches shorter.
Okay.
So I did do like these bump outs on the side, which just give me like an extra inch on each side. It's not a ton, but I think it does help just kind of be able to stretch out.
Can we turn the lights on by any chance?
Yeah.
Because like I just want to make sure everybody can see everything. That's now we're talking, Megan.
The bed is as high as it is because when I was building it, I really wanted to make sure that a mountain bike would fit underneath. So it is also really high because I have a really thick mattress plus a memory foam.
Yeah.
Which isn't ideal, but it's just what I got for free when I was doing my build. So
heck yeah.
That's what's here. The headroom I'm happy with. I would love to have maybe like 3 more inches back, which I could totally get if I shortened my mattress down.
Sure.
But overall, really comfortable still.
How thick is your mattress? With the topper on there and everything, it's like 10 inches?
6 inches plus 3 inches.
Okay.
So 9 inches total.
Nice. Obviously super comfortable.
It is very comfortable.
Yeah. Very nice. Do you know the height of it offhand?
I don't remember now.
Oh, damn it, Adam.
I know, I could pull out all my notes somewhere.
No, it's okay, it's okay. If I had to guess, guys, it's like 36 inches, maybe a little bit higher, maybe 38 inches height.
I think it has 34 to 36 inches of clearance underneath, so this is probably a little taller than that.
Oh, okay, cool.
Like the platform is.
And then you have, what I love is like seating that is like across from each other.
Seating.
It's super cool.
I can lounge, I can sit with 2 people, I have a table that I can sit. Dinner, this is where I work a lot of the time if I'm not out in like coffee shops or libraries.
Which you work in here all the time.
I do, I work in here a lot. Great storage.
Yeah.
So this is just kind of like the catch-all other stuff. Toiletries, dirty laundry, shoes. Nothing too exciting.
Is everything you own in here?
Yes. Toilet, Super important. It's the Dometic 2.5 gallon.
Oh my God,
toilet.
I just bought that.
Did you?
Yeah, the same exact one.
I love this toilet. It's great.
Okay.
I had one of the like 4-gallon Thetford toilets.
Oh my God, I had the same one and I got rid of it.
It was huge. It was really bulky to empty. I just really didn't like it. This is a perfect size just to be able to easily get out and empty. Let's see what else.
Super convenient too. It's like you have it right there underneath your bench.
This is a little annoying because I do have to take these off, but like this
to use your restroom.
up and the toilet is raised so that you can easily sit on it without this being in the way.
I noticed that like right here that it's like it's like an extra 2 inches.
Yeah, which is why this one is designed differently than this side. This is just a flat top.
It's just a flat top?
Because
that is super
so that's
smart.
All Adam.
Good job, Adam. Damn, he's smart. Cool. And then you have storage underneath your slider.
Yes,
just whatever.
There's tons of storage here. This is just kind of a lot of stuff, and then this is clothes. This is kind of like the clothes that I use every day.
We're getting into Megan privacy stuff here.
Getting into my whole closet. So
you did the roll-up method.
Lots of roll-up. All of these are clothes. That's my closet.
Wow, you actually have a lot of clothes.
A lot less than I had before living in a van, but still, way too many.
Wait a minute, can you, what did you just do? You pop those out? Those are super nifty. I'm gonna do this one right here. You don't have to pull this one open. You wanna pop that one? Oh, that's super cute. Yeah.
Which is awesome for especially these cabinets where there's stuff in here that would actually fly out when I'm driving.
100%.
The clothes don't really do that. Same thing on this one down here.
Is that your gray system?
This is my gray water, as well as trash. And then these also lock. You can't really see it, but as soon as they go in, they're locked, which is awesome.
Right. I actually love those, and usually they are plastic, but yours are metal.
Yeah, these are metal, and I made sure to get the real metal ones where like the back and everything is all metal.
That's super nice.
They work great.
Those
They're
metal
from
ones
Amazon.
are gorgeous. Yeah. Metal ones are really, really nice.
Yeah, same thing with these ones, which it does have plastic backing, but like
but they're still really nice.
These pieces are metal, yeah.
And then obviously you designed it. You picked the green. You picked the stain of the wood. How you kept it natural.
Yep.
And then hence you went with a gold, like a gold accent. So that's also on your sink as well, your faucet.
I really like the gold. And then I also have just the kind of copper accent wall behind you.
Oh, that's for the cook, right? Because your burner's right there.
Yep.
Okay.
So I chose to put the wall here just because I knew I would be cooking here, so this is kind of like a messy area, and I wanted to make sure that that wasn't going to go into anything up front. I really wanted color, so I chose to kind of keep the color just on the bottom because I didn't want anything that was going to show dirt.
Yeah.
And then I kept white up here just because it does kind of help it make it feel more open to have the lighter color up top.
Awesome. Do you feel like you don't have enough counter space? Because we're in a 144 right now, as we already said.
Yeah.
But you have, your bed takes up a solid third, just like everybody's.
Yeah. I've never felt like I don't have enough counter space, and the main reason why I have my sink over here is so that I do have some counter space over here. Like,
and then you have this little guy right here.
Thing that pops up, which is super helpful if I'm just like cutting or doing dishes or like whatever it is. Underneath here. So usually, like, I pull this over here and I do all my prep work, and then this is the stove, which I did not clean out.
That's okay. That's okay.
And so yeah, that helps protect behind it and then cook, and I feel like this is plenty of counter space. Really? You're getting phone calls?
I know. Hold on one second. Dad, let me call you back. I'm in the middle of a tour. Let me call you right back. Yeah, sorry guys, just got a phone call.
Not cool.
All right, Megan, you obviously you do have enough counter space with that leaf, and then Adam even thought of everything by putting the switches underneath that leaf right there. So smart, so smart. So when you walk in,
3 switches for all the different lights. So there's the back lights, the front upper lights, and then under the cabinet lights.
Super smart. What do you have for power in this thing? Did Adam hook it up?
I have all Renogy systems, so 300 watts of solar on the roof, and then I have 400 amp hours of battery, which are deep cell batteries.
Are they the AGM or the gels?
They're the AGM.
They're the AGMs, yeah. Renogy makes some good stuff.
Yeah.
That's what I had in my first van.
Yeah.
All right, so now that you pretty much have showed us most of the inside, We have to see what's underneath that bed.
Garage?
Yeah, the garage space. What do you think? Can we go?
Let's do it. Also, before we go to the garage.
Oh, look at this!
This is one of my favorite parts and what I really wanted, because I do have a built-in countertop, but I do really like to cook outside. So this I can set up. I just have a small butane burner and I cook out here, or it's like the happy hour table to just hang out and eat outside.
But Megan, even before we go back, can you show me the refrigerator? Because we haven't, I'm gonna stay down here for it.
So this is the Isotherm 85?
Yep.
It's the same one you have.
Same one I have, yeah. I love it. I know you do.
I love it, super happy with it. Little freezer that seriously needs to be defrosted right now, but usually works great to keep ice and stuff for smoothies.
All right, now let's go check out your back.
Tacos and Juneshine.
Tacos and Juneshine, okay.
All right.
Guys, this is literally how we've been living the last few days. It's been amazing. All right, so now Megan, look at all your freaking storage. Guys, apologize for the lighting. The sun is like directly behind me right now.
Yeah, it's really bright. This is the reason the bed is so high. I wanted a lot of room down here. I go to a lot of weddings, and this is my wedding bag. I'm gonna get it out of the way right now.
Oh, look at you.
Usually it lives back there, but it's really hard to get back there once I take it out.
You have a brand new mountain bike.
Not in here yet. This is my old bike.
Oh, this is your old one.
Not a new bike that I have not picked up yet. I'm super excited.
But what is your Instagram?
My Instagram is Megan M Cable.
Megan M Cable.
Yeah, like cable TV. So
yeah, I'll throw it. You know, you guys up here.
One of those things. Like, what do you do? Swipe up?
Well, I don't know. We scream it across the screen.
On the bottom.
So this is a crap ton of storage. That's why you have literally everything in your van.
Yes. So I do have like 2 to 3 boxes of stuff at my parents' house, but other than that, everything I own is in the van.
I see he's got easy access to the propane, so when you do have to switch it out.
Super easy to switch out.
You've been in the van now for, I think, 4 months? 5 months? 5 months? How many times have you switched that propane out?
I have not switched it out at all.
And that's predominantly for the cooking, and you also have an outdoor shower, I believe.
Yeah, so this is just for cooking, so it's just the stove.
Oh, it is?
So this will probably last me 6 to 8 months at least.
Okay. And then you have the electric hot water heater right there.
Yep.
And that's for, is that for your shower? Or is that
Bosch electric? I think it's the 2.5 gallon.
Yep.
This only goes to the shower. So right here,
oh, there's your little shower.
This little thing out. I go like this, and then this is my shower. Super fancy.
If you spray me with the camera, we're gonna have issues. Do that again. Hey.
It has low pressure because it's not on.
It's not on right now. And then that's really nifty.
I actually have to.
Have you used it?
Yeah, I use it all the time. Not when I'm in cities like this, but when I'm camping, I use it.
You definitely use it, yeah. Like, do you hook it up somewhere up here?
No.
Or you just spray with it, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go.
Like it sits right here. I can soap up.
Little outdoor shower action.
Yeah, super easy. I have thought that I can hang a curtain here if I want to. I've never gotten one or felt the need. This thing only takes like 10 to 15 minutes to heat up. It doesn't use all that much power, so I've never had an issue. I have a 16-gallon water tank, which is awesome. It was a big upgrade to have an actual like water tank from my last van, which is just really nice because I only have to fill up water like every 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, I've gone about a month.
Filled up right here.
It's your gravity fill, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so super easy to fill up. It's a little different than like having a jug that you can really fill up anywhere, like taking to a house. Like you do have to have somewhere where I have a hose, so like I carry a hose with me. It goes on pretty much anything.
What is this thing right here? Because that is nifty as all heck.
This is my bedside cup holder and or book holder, or
it's
very
hidden.
last minute addition to just have somewhere to like stick stuff by the bed.
And it fits like right in here as you shut the door. So that's like perfect. And you got the windows in the back, so if you want to take them down while you're out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah,
these things are super awesome, just like really easy. Any window coverings with magnets.
Did Adam and Vanessa make those?
I made those.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Super nifty.
I made all the cushions, all the window coverings, all the pillows, all the fabrics in my van.
Whoa.
Curtains.
Oh, that's all the curtains, yeah?
Yeah.
You sewed them all up? That's nice.
Yeah.
You have to teach me how to sew because I'm really bad at it.
It's not easy when you're working with magnets or Reflectix, I will say that.
The magnets I would assume would attract the needle
Yeah, you have to like sew everything together and then add the magnets afterwards.
Oh, really?
I mean, that was what I did. I don't know, professional. Probably about it.
I am going to say you have a beautiful little hidden like the little smoke detector or CO2
carbon
detector.
monoxide detector.
Very important for anybody that does have propane in their van.
Honestly, really important whether you have propane or gas or not at all.
Yeah, we are in cars, you're right.
Yeah.
I have one and I have all electric.
Yeah.
But it's because I'm in a car or a van, and you never know if stuff is seeping into your van.
And
so,
I do have a propane detector down here as well.
Just in case it's leaking.
Yeah.
That's obviously really smart as well. Good job.
I have a sewing machine back here. I have way too much.
You have a sewing machine?
Crafts. Oh yeah.
And you didn't tell me. You told me this now, the day before you're leaving town.
I didn't know.
We could have like sewn some stuff. In my last vlog, I think I even said I haven't met anybody with a sewing machine yet. Boom. All right, guys. that was Megan's van.
That's it.
Are we going to get tacos and then we're bringing them back? Is that what we're doing?
I mean, we're gonna do some podcasting and then we're gonna get tacos.
I'm not doing podcasting. You're doing a podcast.
And then we're gonna eat tacos.
Drink some Juneshine apparently. Do you have Juneshine? Or we have to go get some?
I will get some before.
I mean,
this
I can go get some too. You know.
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
I said I would.
Oh wow.
It's a plan. It's in the plans.
It's in a plan. I'm coming down with a little cold, so I think the more Juneshine, the better.
Oh, for sure.
It's
helps
hard
your gut
kombucha.
Health.
It does.
It
does
also gets you a little tipsy.
Hard kombucha, if anybody doesn't know what Juneshine is. It's only locally here in Southern California, right?
Yeah, right now.
Right now.
For sure becoming a thing.
It is, and you're welcome, Juneshine, because you are not sponsoring me or Megan in this.
This van tour is sponsored by Juneshine.
No, it's not. We are not sponsored by Juneshine, but if Juneshine, hit me up if you want some sponsorship.
Yeah,
or Megan, for that matter.
Kombucha, big kombucha fan.
You're a huge kombucha fan. Yeah. My phone is ringing again. So with that,
popular.
guys.
Bye, guys.
We're out.